Karthik sir,
Yes, Bharat, I'm there.
sorry for you waiting till this much time, sir. My Zoom is not working. That's why I'm checking
That's
with
okay. That's okay.
what happened.
You wait for participants to come in. You wait for the participants.
I will wait. I will wait.
Yeah, let's.
Very good evening to one and all. My name is Bharat. Today I will be the host for the session. Uh, Today I will be demonstrating you on my favorite topic based on food production. Since we all know, sir. Yeah, tell me, sir.
Bharat, carry on. Bharat, carry on.
Okay, okay. Since we all know that today's generation, most probably in this pandemic situation, so many people are suffering from food. Even even roadside people also suffering from food. That's because of that. I thought that this topic would be very useful for all the people who are visiting my webinar today. And in my topic, I have briefly mentioned 3 points: recipes, costing, and menu planning. First of all, I'll go with the menu planning. Usually, we'll go to hotels and restaurants. I mean, is there any event or any function like that? We'll go to hotels and restaurants. For that, we'll see lots of menus presented by the hotels, hotel restaurants, and all. How they will plan that much bulk menu? We should know in that 2 points they will take while they're planning a menu. First thing, they will check whether the guest will be accepted that much of a menu or not. I mean, that much items or not. Whether we placed in place in front of the guest on the table, and moreover, they will discuss on two topics:
Okay.
a la carte as well as table d'hôte. We know that a la carte will be elaborated menu, like each dish will be having separate prices. Whether tabliho contains mixed prices. I mean, if we ordered some food from Southern Spice like that, they'll price for entire food items with one. I mean, this much for biryani, this much for chicken curry, this much. Totally, they'll charge up to 800 or 900 like that. Coming to a la carte, it will be different. For each dish, the pricing will be different. In hotels also, they'll follow this manner. For example, if they want to plan a menu, hotel manager will be there, executive chef will be there, executive sous chef will be there, HR director, L&D manager will be there. Why these many people involved in menu planning? Because they need to analyze whether the guest will be having this much items or not, whether they will be satisfied with our service or not. Each and everything they will take as a point and they implement a menu. In menus also, there are a lot of menus. For example, if I want to establish a Indian menu, South Indian, I will implement breakfast. That is nominal breakfast like idli, dosa and all. That to be live kitchen. In that also live kitchen, I will mention a menu. This much of price. Combo this much of price. Separately this much of price will be there. Each and everything I will mention. And moreover, in menus also, there are lot many things to know why they are planning this much of menus as well as the prices. I said costing. I'm connecting the menu planning along with the costing. You will see each and every dish, this much of prices will be there. For example, in a normal restaurant, if we purchase a biryani, how much it will be cost? Nearly up to 500. If we go to five-star hotels, for example, I will take Novotel Hyderabad. It is an airport hotel. If we go to that hotel, how much they will charge per pax? Pax means people. In hotel terminology, if they ask, the restaurant will ask how many packs. It means people, how many people are coming to our restaurant, the type of terminology they will use. And that also, the people who are in the restaurant, they want to clarify each and everything, what the menu they want to have, whether they tabli hot or a la carte. And coming to pricing, as I said, I am connecting the menu planning with the pricing. The pricing will be different, costing will be different. They will check employees, employee salary, ingredients, electricity charges, maintenance, how much they are using. Each and everything they will consider. At last, they will put a price. That too under the F&B director as well as a general manager. These two people have to check each and everything. Each and everything they need to know, because so many people think that why hotels are pricing this much from us, is there any benefits or not? They will think in a negative way. That's why I'm clearing this. Before charges or before pricing also, there are a lot many things involved in that menu planning and as well as a costing also, because the hotel also have to survive, because that much of that much of money they are investing, it is also have to be come back, and moreover they have to survive, they have to give lot many facilities to the guests who are going to that hotels. For example, I will take one example. Girdhar sir, I'm taking you as an example, live example, sorry to say this, may I? Girdhar sir,
Carry on, Amma. Bharat, you carry on.
I'm taking you as an example. For example, Girdhar sir went to hotel, Novotel Hyderabad. He don't know. First time he's going to that hotel, how it will be there. It is so nice inside, all infrastructure and all. He went to restaurant. He ordered some combo of non-veg thali. He have it. At last, he asked, sir asked the bill. The waiter, the server got the bill with the 1500. Why this much of bill have been? The thali would be cost nearly up to 500 to 600 normal restaurant. Why this much of a bill is there? Extra 1,000 rupees. Why? They will they will check electricity, employee, employee salaries, ingredients, all taxes will be there in that. Each and everything will be going on in that. That's why we are having that much of a prices in hotel industry. Without that much prices, no one can survive in hotel industry. And moreover, coming to recipes, I already said I will discuss recipes later after completion of these two topics. Menus as well as the costings. Coming to final topic, recipes. So many people will cook in their homes. Even Girdhar sir also cook in his homes. I will also see different items are going on. I will ask one thing. While you're cooking, have you observed how much ingredients are using by you? How much quantity are you are using while making one dish? For example, if you are making chicken biryani, what are the ingredients you will use? What is the procedure you will use? We know rice will cook in two methods, but most probably no one will know rice will cook on two methods. One is drain method, another one is absorption method. Absorption method is nothing but we will keep the rice in pressure cooker or electric cooker. It will be go on. Drain method. It will be so interesting. A drain method. While we are cooking rice, rice will be so fluffy, and we'll remove that water and we'll keep aside for few minutes. After that, rice will be so fluffy. I mean, it is very smooth and it will be spread. While, for example, if you order chicken biryani, it will be so fluffy. It will be very smooth. Like that, the rice will be having that smoothness. For example, if you are making chicken biryani also, there are a lot many methods to follow. If you know, I mean, in this in this meeting, so many people are there. Even two ladies are there. You can say what is the method of a chicken biryani if you are making at your homes. You can type it in chat box also, no problem. Miss Pavani, you can say something about a recipe. Even I know how to make chicken biryani also, but you have to say what are the ingredients you will use. What are the things it will be going to add while you're making chicken marination and your rice boiling method, each and everything, what you will add and all. Girdhar sir, you can unmute yourself. You can say, sir.
So, I think masala, salt, and we have different items like all the normal things we are using daily, na? Normal items. Powder, salt, masala, mostly chili powder, turmeric, like that.
Okay, that's good. Miss Pavani, you can say something also. Okay. I'll go ahead with the recipe. First of all, while you're making a chicken marination also, yeah, you can go ahead, Miss Pavani. Hello?
సార్ మేము అసలు ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోం సార్ చికెన్.
Okay, in general గా
It is a general knowledge. Even so many people know this recipe, how it have to be cooked well.
only veg only, Bharat, veg only, all the items are used. Veg biryani also using all these things, right?
Yeah, in veg biryani also we can use all these things. But coming to chicken biryani recipe also, I will demonstrate each and everything. What is the steps will be going on.
Okay.
Since we all know in hotels, while they are making chicken biryani, I mean restaurants, first they will cook all biryani rice and all. They will fry the chicken pieces and they will put it in chicken, I mean put it in biryani and they will mix it up and they will pack it and give us. We will think that that is all chicken biryani. But there is a different style, that to natural style, how to make it. First of all, take chicken, add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, mix it well, add some
ఆనియన్.
no, brown onions will become later. Top of it, we have to put brown onions. Before that, we will add what is it? Dhania powder, zira powder, and all we will add. We'll mix it well. We'll add some curd. Again, we will mix it well. At last, we will add rose water and kevra water. Why we will use rose water and kevra water? It will enhance the flavor of the chicken. All masalas will be go inside into the chicken after marinating it. On top of the chicken, we have to put brown onions and some coriander leaves and mint leaves. After that, we have to keep aside for 1 hour or 2 hours because all the masala should be go inside and each and everything should be perfect. After that, take a bowl, add some water, boil it for few minutes, pour some oil, little bit of oil, add some I mean, like we'll say in Telugu like a dalchin chakka, right? Add it, boil it well, so that when you adding the oil also, you have to check how much you are adding the oil in that water. While water gets boiled, add some rice. The rice also you have to wash it before and keep it aside in water, drinking water. We should not use normal tap water while we are dumping the rice into boiling water, because while we kept aside, the water will help to rice to grow better. I mean, before cooking, the rice will be gets larger, so that while we are cooking the rice also, it will be cooking very faster than 2 times. Add that rice, boil it for few minutes, up to 70% only, because if you boil 100%, the taste will not come. And the benefit of the oil is the rice will come so smooth and fluffy. It will not stick together. It will be separate each other while we add some oil in that. After that, remove the rice, put it on top of the chicken, because it is a style of dum biryani. How to make? Put the rice in the pan where you marinated the chicken, and keep it on the flame, low flame. Add some coriander leaves, mint leaves, all garam masala and all. While you're keeping the lid also, make some dough. Dough means in Telugu you can say as pindi. You can make maida dough. Keep it on rims of the plate, lid, keep it, and sim your gas range. Why? Because we have to cook in a low flame, because from down onwards chicken should be cooked, because entire masala should be cooked well, and the vapor should not be go outside, because the vapors will give good taste while you're making chicken dum biryani also. After a few minutes, put off the flame, remove the lid slowly, and check the salt whether the salt is good or not. I mean, entire masala is there or not. If it is perfect, remove it and serve it in a hot plate with a raita. I mean, so many people will say in Telugu like a perugu chutney and all. That will be called as raita. Raita also you can make it in a good way. Take some curd, add some onions, chilies, chili powder, little bit of salt, and little bit of pepper powder. Mix it well and serve it hot. It will be very tasty while you're making this type of things in your home also. This is the lockdown period, right? You can check lots of recipes are there in the Google. Even I will also provide lots of recipes to you all if you want to make new kind of recipes in your homes, giving your giving this food to your dad or mom or daughter or your sister. They'll feel very happy, because you're making new things right in your homes in this lockdown period, and you're learning lot many things, lot many new recipes. And moreover, same recipe it will be applicable for mutton biryani. Just in place of chicken, you have to replace mutton. That's it. Even while you're making chicken curry, also you have to think bit of faster. More while we are making chicken, we will use normal trend. We will add onions, chili powder, garlic, ginger garlic paste, and all. Right. This is a new method of chicken curry. How to make it? Take some mud pot, add chicken in that, mix it well, add some onions and all, and we know Tatikalu, right? If anybody knows, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
add that entire mixture in that, cook it well, and add some turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, and all. Mix it well. Cook it in a low flame. This is one type of method to cook the chicken curry. It will be so tasty while you add it in your biryani or white rice. So many methods are there to cook different types of non-veg items in different types of methods. This is one type of method to follow how to cook chicken curry in different style. And the platform is yours. You can raise your questions and all. You can share all of your ideas in this webinar. You can raise your voice. You can ask a lot many things. I will share all the recipes to you all in this webinar only. Now you can unmute yourself. Girdhar sir, you want to say something?
Okay, Bharat, well said, Bharat. And taxes and cost difference is more in restaurant because of maintenance, right?
Yeah. ఎందుకంటే
So
సార్
what is the reason for cost is too high?
ఎందుకంటే సార్ each and everything they will include in our hotels because they have to check employees salary, ingredients cost, maintenance cost, electricity charges, each and everything, raw materials what they are using in hotels, each and everything they will check. At last they will fix the price for that. Even a la carte or tabli hot also they will fix a separate price for that. Tabli hot is nothing but combo. While we are ordering chicken biryani also we will get in combo like a chicken biryani, chicken curry, a salan, raita, and some pickle, lemon pickle or something else we'll get. Entire thing they will cost some price like up to 600 to 700 to 800. Like that they will price it. That will call as tablihot. Coming to a la carte. A la carte is nothing but the items having different prices. For example, for your understanding, if we go to normal tiffin centers nearby you, they will present a menu on the wall. Puri this much cost, idli this much cost like that. That all comes under a la carte. Each and everything they are having different prices. Same way in hotels also, each and everything they will have different prices, different costing, each and everything they will inculcate. I hope you are all clear. Now you can speak. Pavani garu, Nandini garu, Ramya Sai garu, you can speak something. What you want to ask, what you are having doubts and all regarding the recipes, menus, how they will plan, costings, how they will cost this much of price, how we can say, how we can judge. You can say, you can ask. I hope you're all clear. You can unmute yourself. You can ask me. I can answer you each and everything what you need. Yeah, Ramesh Iyer, you can ask. Hello. Yeah, definitely we can add. Definitely we can add ghee in place of oil also. No problem in that because we can add ghee at last of the recipe is over because on first of the cooking method we can't use ghee because ghee will enhance lots of flavor. It will not. It will doesn't give that much of fluffiness to the rice. Moreover, if you want to add ghee also, you can add at last of the dish once it is completed. Once the biryani is completed, you can add top of it as a decoration or something else. You can add it. Before that, if you add something like ghee in between the cooking, it won't give that much of a taste. Starting you can add before making all these things. Before making biryani, you can add ghee, you can add onions, chilies, ginger garlic paste. You can cook it well. It will be good. Girdhar sir, you can unmute. You can unmute, sir.
Okay, Bharat, good session, good insights. What are the reasons for cost and all these things? You cleared all the doubts. All the students are very much happy to know about how the cost is more. Very good insights, Bharat. All the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. My next session will be on entrepreneurship.
Good, good. I think maintenance and all these things because of electricity, because of all
Yes,
this.
sir.
I mean, yeah, good,
All the
good,
things
good.
will include in costing, sir, because without including each and everything, they can't get that much of money because they invest lots of crores of money to build that and to give all the facilities to the guest. That's why they will put each and everything pinpoint. Even finance also they will take care of costing each and everything. Accounts department, each and everything they will take care before starting a hotel or starting a restaurant. Yes, sir. Girdhar sir. Yes, you can add coriander leaves for garnish and mint leaves for the garnish at last of the dish because it will enhance the flavor. It will give taste. Even we will call nowadays we'll make sambar with all ingredients like drumsticks, potatoes, and all. In our hotel industry, we'll call it as a lentil soup with vegetables. Lentil soup. Lentils means vegetables. All these things will come like curry leaves, coriander leaves, drumsticks, potatoes, each and everything will come. Lentil soup with vegetables. Even rasam also will call it as soup. Each and everything what you are getting in a liquid form, we will call it as a soups. Yes, sir. Girdhar, sir. You can unmute, sir. No problem. You can speak something. Or you can use potato and tomato in veg biryani also. It will give good taste for it. Even
Yes,
you can add capsicum and all vegetables to make veg biryani. Capsicum, potato, tomato, each and everything. You can use what type of vegetables you are getting outside. You can bring it. You can cut it well. You can add it. Saute it well. Add it in the rice. It will be good.
Neatness also will maintain separate department will be there. Neatness.
For cleanliness, also separate department will be there that we can call it as a KST, Kitchen Stewarding Department. They will take care of and cleaning kitchens.
Okay.
After completion of work, all the chefs will go outside. At night, 2 or 3 chefs will be there. Kitchen stewarding will take care of entire cleaning of the kitchen.
Okay, students, any doubt?
If you want any recipes also, I'm dumping my number in chat box. You can message me in WhatsApp at any time. I will reply it back. Each and every recipe I will say it to you. What you want to make, each and everything, how to make Indian breads like roti, paratha, lacha paratha, michi ka salan, each and everything. Banana cake. First
So
of all,
your college name, your college name, your details.
First of all, you have to take all-purpose flour that we can call it as a maida. Sieve it. Take some yeast. Add some water in the yeast. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Take some sugar. Add some water. Mix it well until the sugar melts. Keep it aside for a few minutes. Add all the mixture. I mean yeast, sugar, mixture and all. Add it. Mix it well. Add some what is it? We can call it as. I thought I forgot it. I will text you all the recipes to Girdhar sir. Girdhar sir will post it in the group. What are the recipes? Even banana cake recipe also. I forgot. The margarine will add in the banana cake. They will mix it well, and they take all the mixture in grinder. That will be take it time to mix it well. I mean, the dough have to be fluffy and smooth. While you're making even puri batter also, once batter is finished, take some dough, little bit of part, stretch it well. While it is stretching, we can assume that no air is there and no lumps is formed. If the dough have break in between, lumps is there because if any of the flour doesn't sieved, definitely the dough will be break in between. That's why you have to sieve it well, each and every flour. It will helps to bake the product fastly. I mean, we can say proofing, right? Proofing means once all the mixture is done, we will keep it in one cake type bowl, keep it aside for proofing because when we kept for proofing, the batter will increase. When we kept all these things, baking powder, baking salt, each and everything, it will help the dough to increase it well. After that, you can keep it in oven. Once it is completed, you can take it outside. You can add bananas on top of it also. Otherwise, you can add bananas in the middle of the mixture. You'll get good taste. You'll get banana flavor of for the cake. Even you can make a chocolate cake also. You can take same procedure like all-purpose flour, yeast, prestige cooker for baking. You can't do it because the pressure is so high, right? While you're reducing it also, it will happen to lose all the taste, each and everything. So that's why oven is best. Even if you're having micro oven, little bit, I mean small micro oven also, you can keep it inside. You can put the temperature leave it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you can remove it. Keep it aside for a few minutes because while you're taking out, it will be so hot. It have to be cooled down and reverse it, cut it, and have it. It will be good. Even breads also they will make like that. Even breads having different molds. All the batter will be done. They will keep that batter in the mold. They will keep it aside for proofing. Sometimes even breads also keep for proofing in ovens because breads will not proof very fastly. It won't expand very fastly. That's why they will keep in the oven for few minutes. It will be easily expand. After that, they will start original procedure for baking the bread. Yes, sir, Girdhar, sir. Girdhar, sir, you can unmute yourself and you can say something else. Even the ladies also, you can speak something so that I can get to know what sort of problems you're facing while you're cooking foods so that I can clear it out. What are the steps you can take while you're cooking in your kitchen? What are the measures you have to take? I hope you're all clear, right? Yeah, it's good, but rather than a prestige, wait for a few minutes. Rather than prestige cooker, oven is good. Oven is good because oven gives a perfect measure for each and everything. Because while you're cooking in the oven also, you will set the particular time, right? So that within the time, each and everything, the process will be completed. Each and every process will be completed so that it will be easy for you to get the particular taste of it. Now you can all speak. The platform is yours. Ramya Garu and Pavni Garu. You can unmute yourself and you can say something. It will be easy for you so that I can clear each and everything. I hope you're all clear all the things, right? What I have said, each and everything, recipes and all. Thank you, Ramya Garu. Next time I'll deal with the topic of entrepreneurship. I hope you all will be there in my session, next session. I think I can plan it on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay, Bharat, all the best, Bharat. Excellent session. Great insights. I'm in call. Sorry, I'm in other call. Sorry for late. Bharat, well said, Amma. Excellent session.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we are waiting for entrepreneurship also. Tell me about yourself. Which college you are and all these things. Introduce yourself 1 minute. Introduce yourself 1 minute. Introduce yourself.
Okay, sure. Coming to my introduction, my name is Bharat. I already completed my BTech from Aditya Engineering College, and presently I am pursuing my second degree, BSc HNDH, Hotel and Hospitality Administration from Western College of Hotel Management. This is my final year, and I am ready to take up my job as a chef in international hotels. I mean, like Dubai, UK, and all. I'm trying to go that side. Meanwhile, in this lockdown period, I came with these topics because you all have to be having brief idea regarding this, each and everything, how hotels maintain this much of costings and all, how they can run their hotels, how they will plan their strategies if once profit goes down. Even I have worked in Novotel and Ibis. When I went to Novotel and Ibis in 2019, our hotel lost 300 crores of loss, and immediately next year, I'm proudly say my hotel got 900 crores profit. I mean, double profit of 300 crores. My general manager Rohan Sabal only kept meeting, and he announced that we got 900 crores profit in this year rather than before year. See how they are planning each and every strategies, how they are maintaining it. Even now, they are maintaining now in this lockdown period. After lockdown period, each and every hotel will maintain their own strategies, own cleanliness, own sanitation facilities, each and everything. All all mindsets are going to be changed coming future. I hope all clear, right?
Yes, Bharat. I think no doubts at all. I think Ramya, any doubts? You must
No, sir.
unmute yourself and yeah,
No
ma.
doubt, sir.
Yeah, thanks for participating. Really great patience you have. Bharat,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
you can introduce your Ghana friends also, your classmates also, your foreign
Okay.
countries friends also.
Okay, I will let them join.
Some of your friends also came and just now only they went. One friend came for your classmate, I think. I hope.
Yeah, bartender photo is there, right?
Yes.
He's my friend. He is one of the bartender. He is learning bartending in Rebel College of Bartending in Vijayawada. Even all the people,
Okay, good.
even now, sir, as you are the teacher, you can say the students also. If anyone want to become a chef or bartender or anyone who want to become in, who want to settle their life in hotel industry, I will
Okay.
help them to join in different colleges. I will let them
Okay, great.
the colleges, even the people who want to go for food production. I will refer the culinary colleges, culinary schools. In Tirupati, we are having culinary school.
Okay, great. Good.
Lot many things: continental, Indian, Italian, Chinese, all tandoor, each and everything they will teach you, so that you can learn lots of recipes, lots of new recipes, which are implementing by hotels or not implementing by hotels also.
Okay, good. Great. All the best. Great.
Thank you, sir. Once again, I am giving my number in my chat box. You can message me. You all can message me at any time. I will respond in any cost. Even I will respond to your calls also. No problem in that. Each and everything I will clear all the doubts. Coming sessions also it will be more interesting. After entrepreneurship, I'll go with it. F&B service, food and beverage. After that, housekeeping. These are all the things you need to
Yes,
know.
one thing I want to say, from
Yes, sir.
you are very good in participation, Amma. Participation is a success, Amma. I seen you very active participate in all the Zoom apps. Very congratulations, and I think I hope you are very active in group also. All the best for your excellent participation.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, keep it up, Amma. So I hope your next session will be. I think in your classmates also will join Ghana, other
Yeah.
countries also. Okay, entrepreneurship.
So you can send me the
Andhra
link
prayer.
of 7:30.
I call like.
Right now.
Sure. I'm sharing. Okay. Okay, I'm recorded now. Everything is recorded. Share in the group also. Okay, right?
Yeah. Thank you so much, my
Recording. Share your YouTube.
Yeah, I will share. Thank you so much, my dear
Keep
friends,
them all the best, Amma.
who are joined in the session.
Okay, Amma. Happy night. Bye, all of you. Thank you for.
Thank you, sir.